This is Smriti. I'm welcoming you all to my channel QA automation classes. So we are continuing our sessions on the different methods we have on the stream API. So as part of that, in the last class we have completed mean, max, then we completed distinct, count, limit, and today we are going to continue with the reduce and converting the string to the object array with the help of ToArray. So these two examples we'll see. Okay, so let's start with the reduce method. Let's go to the IntelliJ. So stream methods demo 3. So now let's say main, and here let's create the we are going to show the example of the reduce method. Okay, so reduce method, I'm just going to say we're going to show the example of the reduce method. So for that, what I will do, I'll say string s1 equals to, let's say the hello world example. Then I'll say string s2 equals to, let's say world. So now if you see, we have the two distinct elements. One is the string, one is the another one is the world. String hello and string world. So now we are going to create the list of the strings, right? List of string, and here we will say words equals to arrays dot as list, and s1 comma s2, and here in the list just say alt enter, imported. So now I created a list of the string of words which contains the two strings hello and world. So if I have to print this one directly, okay, original list is, okay, so plus words, just print it like this. So now if I run, I should be able to see two things, hello and world, over there. Okay, so now if you see, the original list is hello comma world. So now I want to apply the reduce method on top of it. So what exactly is the reduce method and what it is going to do? This also will return the optional, okay, optional object. So let's apply the reduce method. So now words dot stream. The first thing is to apply the stream. Okay, after applying the stream, okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to apply our method, which is the method reduce. So which reduce method we are going to use? So let's say reduce, and we have to take the binary operators, two operation operand we have to pass. Okay, so what we are going to pass, let's say a comma b. Okay, I am going to pass a comma b, then the lambda expression. So what exactly I'm planning to do here? So I'm planning to combine both of them, right? That's what I'm going to do. So I'll say return a plus b. So I'm returning a plus b, semicolon. So this is my lambda. So I'm saying words dot stream, I'm converting it into a string first, and then I'm saying reduce. How? So combine both the parameters a and b, whatever I'm taking here, a and b, lambda to return a plus b. So that's how it will be returned. So I can store this, right, equals to, and I told you it will give the optional. Okay, you can see here it gives optional java.util.optional. So let's say optional, and I can say the reduced word equals to this one, optional, alt enter. And now after returning this one, I just say s out after reducing, after applying reduce method. So now plus, let's say reduced word, but what did I say? From the optional we cannot directly get the value. So in order to get the value, what we need to do, we need to use get method. So now use the get method. So now let's run and see if the reduce method is working or not. See, earlier how it was? Earlier it was the two different elements that were added into the collection, two streams. So after that, what reduce is going to do? So reduce is going to combine both of them, right? I'm saying A plus B. So hello plus world, both have been reduced. There are two items and combined and they become one, A plus B. So that is hello world. See, the complete string, they got appended and they got displayed over here. This is the part of the reduce. Okay, so reduce takes the two arguments and a binary argument, and there we can do the operation on top of it, like combining or something we'll do, and we'll return that one. Okay, and then with the help of the get method we'll just display. So that is nothing but the reduce method. Okay, and one more example I can show you, like ToArray. Okay, so let's say, yes, so words converting to the object array, words dot stream dot to array. Okay, this is the one. So what it is going to return, if you see ToArray method, so replace stream ToArray with ToArray. Okay, I can do that also, that's okay. So but what it returns, it returns a object array. So if you see, I can say object of, okay, so it returns a object array, right? We can give some name, object array 1 equals to, this is the one. So this statement, and now we already got the object array, so we can use the for I, right? Yeah, for int I equals to 0, I less than r1 dot length. This is how we iterate over the dot length. Okay, I plus plus, and now I'm going to print s out. Okay, r1 of I. Okay, so now let's run and see. So if you see, this is after applying the reduce method, this combined, both of the strings got combined and gave hello world. And now with the words, whatever we have the original list, we are converting that into the object array. So object array AR1, and then we are just using a for loop to go through it and printing the each element. So there are two strings, so it is printing two string, hello and world. Okay, each time it is printing one. So yeah, that's all to this session. If you guys liked my content, please do subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any doubts. Please put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like the content, please do like and share the content with your friends and colleagues. It will motivate me to come up with the more number of the videos. Okay, so thank you everyone. So we'll meet tomorrow again. Bye.